captured on camera, a water rescue during this weekend's winter storm.
Tonight, our Jenny Runovich takes us to Greensburg, where a man accidentally drove into an icy retention pond.
Such a scary situation, especially when you look at the distance. That minivan you see behind me started at the other side of the pond, made it all the way across the ice before sinking in.
Engine 2's arriving.
In the middle of Sunday's snowstorm,
Engine 21's arriving on scene.
a dark, deep freeze in Greensburg,
It is submerged in the water, top side's out.
a man in a minivan trapped and in serious trouble.
You could see where he had broken through the ice. You could see the roof of the van.
At that point, almost completely submerged.
That was at 2:30 a.m. Now, in the daylight, you can see the tracks where the 66-year-old DoorDasher, who just made a delivery, drove on, then into this icy retention pond. He told first responders his GPS misled him in the snowstorm, told him to go straight, which actually led to the water.
Be prepared for a hypothermia patient.
Police body cam shows the rescue that saved his life.
Now stop. Go to your hands and knees.
Firefighter Miller made contact through an open window.
Looked like he had turned around and was holding on to the back of the seat, the headrest. I spoke to him and he spoke back to me. That was a really good sign. I reached in and got him underneath the arms and had him kind of back out towards me so that I could get a hold of him and then help pull him out of the van.
We can see him pull the gentleman out of the vehicle, and then it was all hands on deck. We had 5 or 6 different firemen trying to get him back as quickly as they could, and they got him off the water in pretty good time.
The driver's safe, only minor injuries.
He was talking to us. He thanked us a few times.
Also thankful that at 2:30 in the morning, a homeowner spotted that submerged van and called 911 for help.
He's incredibly lucky. The caller called it in quick. We got there quick. That was a matter of moments, so I think he was incredibly lucky.
A survivor rescued in the storm. In Greensburg, Jenny Runovich, 13 News.